5 types of user-generated content marketing for social media. If you are a content strategist, then planning the content is your duty. You will have to attract your audience's attention through creative ideas. But what if I tell you that your audience can help with the content? Are you shocked or relieved? Don't stress. I will tell you everything about how your audience can help you and how your boss will appreciate you. Hey guys, my name is Sumit from PaperVideo. This video will tell you what UGC content is and the different types you can use on your social media. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. So let's get started. What is UGC? UGC is user-generated content. Content that your audience creates for the brand. Yes, in other words, your audience becomes your content strategist. From customer reviews to photos posted on social media, UGC can be seen in many different scopes on the internet and later leveraged to enhance sales and engagement. UGC helps you in many ways, like UGC develops trust. It helps you in understanding your audience better. It turns your target audience into your brand ambassadors. It increases your sales. Any brand gets many benefits from user-generated content. Hence, I'm telling you about the 5 types of UGC for social media. First, meme templates. Static memes are viral on social media, and every brand uses them, so you can generate user meme content in the 2 ways. First, you can make a template and ask your audience to create memes on that. Second, you can directly ask your audience to create a meme related to your brand. Second, reviews. You can ask your audience to share their reviews, and you will share the best ones. This tactic is trendy in the market. Reviews help you to build trust in the market as well as reach on social media. Third, create fun videos. You can ask your audience to create fun reels or shorts with your brand. It is a prosperous user-generated technique because it allows the customer to be a brand ambassador. Fourth, hashtag campaigns. Have you ever heard of the hashtag Share a Coke campaign or hashtag Ice Bucket Challenge? One of the most famous hashtag campaigns we have witnessed yet. Hashtag campaigns are simply the promotional event in which the brands use content posted by the audiences using the specific hashtag to display their products and reliability. Number 5. Interactive Q&A. Brands can organize live and Q&A to have an interactive session with their customers. In social media, live or Q&A customers' words turn into advertising statements. The words of customers are considered to be authentic and persuasive. I hope now you are aware of the term UGC and you know very well how to use different types of UGC to increase your sales and engagement. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like, share with your friends, family and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.